Okay, so one of the things I'm going to suggest always is to have a little tiny version of yourself floating around. I'm using Screencastify. I can actually move myself around as needed, but it's nice that while you're talking, the students can pick up on your inflections and hear and see what is going around and what is in your thoughts. So you can kind of go writing. Let's go right in here. And then, 4 plus 4 equals 8. So this is one of those ways that you can kind of bring those things together. Um, this is a Jamboard, and I'm actually using this one specifically that is the Android version that students would have access to. It has a few extra little features in it. So like I can move this 8 and I can start moving it around. Oops. Move it around somehow. But that's it. So I would encourage you, bring your little face into your instructions as needed. You can always throw yourself around and move yourself around and to get you out of the way. But it is a really nice thing that your students can have and see that they're in there. Okay. Thank you. Never stop learning.